they talking about. They about to watch me eat some Domino's. You heard? You gonna sit your ass up and watch me eat some Domino's too. Boom, 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 boom. I'm not knocking nobody down. Ignorant self. I don't want you on that phone still, I swear. I don't want you on that phone still. I need you closer to me. Problem is, I kinda got a good one. I don't like how you leaning back. I had you just how I wanted you. Oh, I got you how I want you. If you gon' fall, please, head don't fall. Please, head don't fall. About to tear some grub up. About to tear some grub up. This dessert, I don't know what this is because I've never had this before. I never got that before. They've been jipping me. I got somebody on the phone today I never had on the phone before. She asked me for my name. I said Denise. What? The key to this is not to pig out. Have one or two. One or two, that's doing a lot, Slim. But this one right here, where's my fork? Dude, did you not have bring me a fork? What the fuck is this card? You gotta see the Insta story to see this. Yeah, I just peeped. I don't have a fork. You gotta see the Insta story to see this one. This one. I'm about to say hello. Where's my primary? Oh, yo, I'm on data. On Facebook and back on data. That's alright. We gonna say me on YouTube with data. YouTube, what's poppin'? We about to eat Domino's. That's how you do that. It's chicken with barbecue bacon. It's bacon and barbecue sauce wrapped around chicken. Let me see if I can get here. Here's some bacon. Let me try to get the bacon. This is bacon right there. Thank you for watching my stories. God, it's good. So is pork bacon. What's the presentation? It's already cooked. If you know what Domino's is. If you ever knew somebody that worked at Domino's, it's already cooked. They put it in the oven the one you want. But they do it just right though. It's $7, ain't much. And the presentation with everything. I've been in and out that outside. See what this is. Don't tell me no marinara type. Look like it might be cheesy or buttery or vanilla-y. It will come with my dessert because this is my second time getting my dessert. I've never had this before. I think they want me to have a jello pudding. I guess not butterscotch. That chicken good. Hell, how could something that color be in here? It's marinara. I don't eat that stuff. No, thank you. Who not can eat my chicken without a fork? Let me tell you about this chicken. If you ever had chicken from 7-Eleven, the chicken on a stick, That's what this is. The 7-Eleven chicken on a stick don't got all this bacon. I don't know what you got going. That's how you greet your food. That's it. Oh God, that's bacon. Who knew to put bacon, barbecue sauce, and chicken together? Grill it, broil it, fry it, I guess. Not gonna fix the chicken, all that bacon. They're gonna be mad at me when I get cheap in the back. Cause I'm not gonna eat like this no more. I still stuff in my mouth like I got teeth in the back. Bacon and chicken, they not stingy with the bacon. I love. I'm about to unwrap a piece of chicken by accident. I almost feel like it got cheese on it. You find out, so you hooked it up to that. Bacon, like that. Just tearing apart and try to stretch it out for me. What the hell? I ain't never had no cheesy bread like this either. I just don't feel like it's stuff. Shorty, what kind of shit did you give me? I think she recognized me because she asked me my name. Pause. Denise. It's like it's stuffed on that end. Like it's two. I feel like it's two orders. But no. When it's pulling the pork, you take the top layer off. The extra Parmesan up there. Just the top layer. I never. That breeze had feel good. That's not breeze, that's wind, but that should feel good from inside. You gotta put your chicken and bacon in here and wrap it up. You gotta do that. Show you how you did this today. I never had it like that. I can pull it layer apart. The cheese. Parmesan. That's just cold. I mean, it's good, cold or hot. I'll be eating it either way. I wanted to put that in my mouth, but go ahead and put it in there, Slim. Go ahead and put it in there, Slim. Oh, dig it. Now we got cheesy bread. stuffed with chicken, barbecue sauce, and bacon. And it's in my mouth and it's good. Mm. Mm. And I got cheese now. Hello. So you just gave me an idea. Cut that cheesy bread open. Put your mayonnaise, your lettuce, your onion, your tomato. And make your hoagie with that. It tastes like they fry it. Like some of it be greasy and like, That's definitely where it's at. And this is good eating. This is grown folk now. I'm sorry. This is how life get when you get grown with no kids in the house, with no family in the house, nobody in the house. You eat whatever you want to eat whenever you want to eat it. Cook what? I mean, I made oatmeal this morning. I cooked. Eating up today. The bacon, the chicken, the cheese, the bread. I think that bread is fried. They dip that dough in grease or something. Let me see for you, man. You know, like it's on the grill. You must put that into the broiler and crisp up. There's a party in my mouth. You want to come? Get out of here. That other part of that bread. So, how the hell did you make this cheesy bread today? It's the bottom part of it. It's the bottom of that cheesy bread. That's cheese. I'll never eat the ends first. I don't damn sure don't save them for last either. And I'm right before the last, because they gonna be the best. This is good, shorty. Thank you. She recognized my voice. She asked me my name. Denise. I didn't even give her my new alias. I gave her my very first alias, Denise, the one I gave all the men. Denise. That car still swiped. Denise? No, what? Then my name showed you got my address. What are you talking about? This is some good though. You want a card? You can go to Domino. However you get you some Domino. That's some good card. That's some good card. This is what I don't fucking food look like. Eat it to yourself. Save some for who? Ain't nobody asking you can I have some. Do I look like I was somebody's mother? Do I look like I was ever somebody's mother? Or a sister? Do I look like I was ever somebody's sister? Come on. Don't play with me. And I damn sure ain't a man, so I ain't been nobody's father ever and will never be nobody's father. I have no one to take care of but myself. I depend on me. Not you or them. That's a good card. A good card. Ain't nothing like some dough in your mouth. I'm gonna tell you, this the reason why I run and walk and gym the way I do. Keep my metabolism fast. That means I'm burning calories all day. That means not even half of what I eat gonna stick. That's some good dough. If you're gonna give me frozen dough, give me cheesy bread frozen dough. It tastes fresh. Mm. And parm. Tastes like they use the best Parmesan. It's not Parmesan Italiano. Not Maggiano either. Damn, some good dough. There's a whole chicken. There's a whole bacon. What the fuck? There's a whole bacon. All that bacon. All that bacon. It just came up. But look, the chicken is still wrapped in bacon. I'm still taking bacon off. This tastes like 7-Eleven chicken. I feel like 7-Eleven chicken. But this got bacon. The chicken on the stick. Trust me, I know. That's my go-to at 7-Eleven when I'm drinking. Jesus Christ. That's how you Sunday that shit. I'm telling you the Phillies play. You ain't telling me yet. You're not trying to take a walk yet? Okay, good. Give myself 2 hours before the sun goes down and go get a walk / run in the evening. Your food really good. It's the bacon and the chicken and the barbecue sauce. I'm eating out of a cardboard. I'm eating out of a cardboard box. Bam. Bacon out of a cardboard box. Don't drop my bacon there, son. This time we're gonna try bacon and cheesy bread together. But I feel like don't fuck up my bacon with that, but we're gonna go ahead and do it anyway. Let that pull apart like This tastes like it's gonna be a party in my mouth. It should be there. Really used to come. I just got introduced to cheesy bread last month. It really is dim. Come on with the warm rubber, baby. I really turned the heat on this morning. I had to knock the chill off this crib. It was 48 degrees. I had to do it. Yo, it's like it's 2 layers. I never had cheesy bread like this. I feel like pulling the part off thick. Like they made it extra thick for me. And cheese, man. You too. Got bacon and cheesy bread. There's a recipe how to make Domino's cheesy bread on YouTube. Trust and believe there is. There's a recipe to make everything on YouTube. Tastes just like the real one if you make it right. Or like the original one, not the real one. What's this? Give me the chicken. I'll eat that bacon right now. That can go in the refrigerator. I'm going to eat another cheesy bread and I'm done for the day. Look how it's pulling apart. I never had cheesy bread. This thick. I don't remember having cheesy bread that thick. But look how it's falling apart. Like, it's layered. Like, it's a top and a bottom. Surely I like it like that. You take extra greasy. You take extra greasy. They saturate that bread in something, that dough or something. The cheese makes it greasy too, because cheese is greasy. Come on now, you thinking. Why is cheese greasy though? Eat that or a dessert. Which one you want, Slim? It's dough. I would like Parmesan between the layers as well. Bam. Because I feel like if you're going to do it, do it. Or you ain't doing it. You know what I mean? Talk to him. That crunch, that crust, that good cheese, and that good dough. Get you one of these. Or get you some of these. But then go take your walk and run. Don't sit on these. Because you don't want none of these. Can we move them next year or something? I just want to throw that in there. Yeah, it's fall apart. That is dangerous. I'm gonna say this one for your mom. I'm gonna say this for your mom. I know she'll be over later. Thank you for a diamond. I'm gonna say this for your mom. I know she'll be over later. Trust me, if she see me with Domino's, her and I don't stay home, she gonna be like, oh, I'm on my way. That's how you get your woman to come over. Hello? Go live and eat some good food. Eat her favorite. Next thing you know, you hear her accelerating up your driveway. Yours not on the hill, though? Damn. Fuck your house at anyway. Okay. You hear her accelerating up the driveway. You're like, yeah. She come in the house, babe. You like, huh? You thinking like, what's wrong? She's like, oh, you got Domino's? She's like, oh, I know you ain't getting nothing from Domino's in a box shaped like that. Only thing you could have got from Domino's in a box shaped like that. I know you ain't get macaroni and cheese. You don't even like that macaroni and cheese. I'm sitting there holding the box closed, like, holding the box closed, my hand in the box, like, let me see. I know you got a cookie in there. That's why you came in? Like, came here for a cookie? You got cough all over that shit. Make sure don't nobody want it. They be like, damn. My twin would be like, yo, toss me one of them. Toss me two of those. My twin would be like, yo, toss me a couple of those. Like that. This shit smell good. Cookie brownie. You don't know unless you know what a cookie brownie is. You know what a cookie brownie is? Let me tell you what a cookie brownie is. Cookie brownie is it's a brownie. When you get brownie, cookie brownie gonna have a texture of cookie between cookie and cake. I don't mean no dry behind brownie. I don't like no dry brownie. I don't care what light complexion, dark color it is. Listen, I don't need no dry brownie, please. I don't got milk. It changes the texture. Make you do that. I'm not even a do that person. The chewy, fishy part around the top. You know, I gotta let this. You get 9 of those. For $10? That tastes like a good dessert. It's a cookie brownie. Oh, my piece that fell off. Thank God. Come back for that. cookie brownie. Need a cookie brownie. Need a cookie brownie. Got some gas for you too. Excuse you and me too. I got to go walk until it get dark outside. You know I know how to eat. Oh, let me go to YouTube, Facebook. Thank you for watching everything SHI on all social media. Bam, ba, bam, bam, bam. YouTube, see me when you see me. Get you some Dominoes, honey.